ongoing thing.
Hey guys, Aaron from HTC here, and I'm really excited to show you one of our newest devices, the HTC U11 Life. I want to give you an up-close and personal view of this because with the liquid surface design, it's really a beautiful device here in the Sapphire Blue, and it's really one of those devices you have to see it in person, but in lieu of seeing it in person, I'm going to show you on this video how cool it is. Like I said, you've got the blue on the back here, and it really is just a beautiful blue. It looks amazing, and this is something when you pull out of your pocket, people are going to say, where'd you get that phone? It's a premium device at half the price. Over here on the right spine, you'll see the power button, the volume rocker, and then up top you'll see your SIM card slot, and there's a micro SD card slot in here as well, so you can add an SD card if you so desire, and your USB Type-C port here at the bottom of the unit. It also has two 16 megapixel cameras, so you can get those selfies from the front and get photos of your friends and family as well with a 16 megapixel camera on the back. It's really a good looking device here in the Sapphire Blue, and this is something that is a game changer for HTC. Keep it locked on the social channels for more on the HTC U11 Life, and as always, thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.
Hello, Moto.
Experience perfection. Moto X4.